Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are still going to the Insert tab to draw lines in Microsoft Word, you are wasting valuable time. Today I will show you the absolute fastest keyboard shortcuts to instantly generate 6 different types of lines. Let us start with a standard thin straight line. Place your cursor on a new line, type 3 hyphens, and press enter. That is it. A perfect solid line instantly spans the page. Need a thicker line? Hold shift and type 3 underscores, then hit enter. You will instantly get a bold solid line. For a double line, simply type 3 equal signs and press enter. If you are formatting a document that requires a dotted line, hold shift, type 3 asterisks, and hit enter. To create a wavy line, hold shift, type 3 tildes, and press enter. Finally, if you want a professional triple line with a thick center, hold shift, type 3 hash symbols, and press enter. This built-in feature is called AutoFormat, and it works flawlessly to help you visually separate sections in your documents. If this quick tip saved you time, hit the like button and subscribe for more efficiency hacks. See you in the next video.